All right, Grant, what's up?
Cheers.
Grilled cheese.
Dad, you gotta pull it apart like how they do in the commercials.
All right. Hello, I'm Brent. Earlier this spring, I made my wife Laura this portable table, but the design wasn't there yet.
He made me this portable table that attaches to the hook on my van trunk.
There was a whole lot of work to be done to make this table convenient while on the move, so it was back to the drawing board. I created prototype after prototype, each time finding a better balance between design, cost, and durability. Eventually, trial and error brought me to this design, a combination of aluminum and stainless steel. I spent the summer testing it out. It was an end table, a sunscreen station, a place to gather, a sandwich shop, and even some extra counter space. It was easy to carry and easy to pack.
Another Mylar washer.
Each table has 33 custom parts, and that's where you come in. With your support, we'll settle on a final design and complete a production run. The hardware is friendly, so you can customize your table using different cutting boards or project panels from the hardware store. Included with the custom parts are the shackle hook and pinch buckle. You'll use them to adjust your table to just the right level. Then use the bar stops when you want a dining table on your passenger seat or center console.